Hi guys, I just bought this car in an auction. We have a company called Emirates Auction here. However, the guys didn't take the pictures of the car in and out, and it seems like when I came to check the car, it really requires quite a lot of work to be done than I believe I had estimated. But I mean, it's really hard. I don't know how much I'm gonna spend to get fixed here. As you see, it has a big dent here that needs to be fixed, and then the bottom part, the edge of the car is missing as well. The drums are rusty, the tires are all broken down. The engine seems intact, but then quite a lot of things. They didn't look very well at all, so I think when it was raining, all the rainwater was just going all the way in the car. As you can see, sorry about that. The steering has an issue. I don't know if the steering rack has to be fixed. There is no airbag. There is no back seats. Yeah, so I mean, like, this is how we are. I don't know if the convertible roof really works or not. Well, quite a hard one, but that's it, guy. I'll keep you posted on how we're gonna get this car recovered and restored, and I'll show you the pictures of the car after. But this is what it looks like for now. All right. Mr. Hamid.
Yes.
Okay, got all the stuff.
I need only this one.
Yeah, do I have to take a copy of that, or do I have to take a picture? Oh, it's not needed.
No, I need the original.
Yeah, I mean, like, can I take a copy? If it's okay with you. I'll just take a photo, it's fine. Picture.
Okay, let's check.
So guys, I'm getting the gate pass taken off the official car documents I got from the auctioning company, and just want to take a picture of the gate pass just in case these guys ask me how did you get the car out. So I just want to keep that to avoid anything, and then I give the papers to my
Sign here and
country guy.
mobile number.
And we're good. Sure.
Yeah. Sign mobile.
Today is
12.
Few moments later.
Hey guys, I'm back here. So I was waiting for my recovery guy from Dubai to come and bring this truck to take the car to Dubai. We're gonna be taking it to Dubai, and let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I was taking some water, juices, and sandwiches, stuff like that. So now we're gonna be working on taking the car. Let's see how we're gonna be loading it. I don't know, we have no keys, as I told you. The steering rack is all faulty, so we're gonna see. As you see, people are taking cars from this place, most of them like considered as junk cars. So let's see how we go, guys. This is a real big job. The car has no back and front hook, so the guy is just trying to figure out how to get the car on this truck. Let's see how it all goes, but honestly, it's my first car I bought in an auction, and I feel it's a little bit challenging, but yeah, I mean, I bought the car. It was quite expensive based on the way it looks like. Now I really don't know, but let's get moving, guys. We have to get this happen. I'll be updating you, and I'll show you this car after it's all worked on and it's all back to life. And I mean, this is not my full-time thing, but I do it as a part-time thing. My profession is totally different. I mean, I'm an IT engineer, so I just love cars. I have a lot of passion for cars, and this is what I do usually during my free time.
Few moments later.
Guys, I'm sorry I couldn't record the video when we were pulling it off, but yeah. So literally, I helped this guy to turn the car steering, and then we kind of removed one of the front tire, driver's side tire cover, and then we managed to pull the car. Wow. Okay, one step done. Yeah. I'm with my friend. I've been working with this guy for a couple of years. He's the guy who takes my cars. Okay, guys. Now, yeah. Let's see how we.
Let's go to Ferrari World.
So off we go. Heading out to Dubai. Now I'm heading out of the car yard. As you can see, so many cars we got here. Okay, I came with my 2014 Mustang. Yeah, I've owned like 3 Mustangs. 2006, 2007, this is 2014. I'm gonna be heading out with Mr. Ahmed, dropping him to the mosque to pray, and then I'll head back to Dubai, and then I'll tell you guys what happens next. Okay guys, I'm gonna be getting back in touch. Catch you later.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changing the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We're south of the equator.
So guys, I'm about to reach the garage. I don't know if these guys are still working, but I believe they work until 9 p.m. Now, let's see what they're going to tell me. Just like about to reach. Let me see what they're gonna tell me about this whole car thing. Okay, it seems I'm supposed to drive backwards. It seems like I'm supposed to drive here. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have reached the garage. This is the garage here. And our thick carbon Mustang is just right there. So let's see how we go about everything today.